guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about a new application inside our Mailingboss Autoresponder called Lead Score. What this does, it lets you organize each lead and each client by the amount of score they have. And this score will be set up by opening campaigns and by clicking on your links, okay? So basically, you can assign points by each action. So basically, you can organize these points by each action. So, for example, if a lead clicks and opens your campaign, you can assign them 5 points. If they click on a link inside your campaign, you can assign 10. And all this is an application that lets you organize and know exactly who is interacting more with your business, who is really opening your emails and clicking on your links and trying to figure out more about your business. Basically, this helps us figure out who we want to send emails to. So, for example, once you make a new campaign and you have your lists with the leads and scores, you can go ahead and make campaigns, for example, with people over 50 points. Okay, so let's just say you have a promotion and you want to send that promotion to people who have interacted with you for a long time. So this is a really good application for you guys to know about. So let's go ahead inside Mailingboss and talk a little bit more about it. Over here, we can go over to subscribers, and this is where your subscriber list will be, and also the lead score. So every single lead will have a lead score depending on the actions they made. Okay, so for example, like I said, if a lead opened a campaign, they could gain 10 points. If they click on a link, they could gain 15 points. And basically, you can change the punctuation right over here in your profile. So under here, under lead score, you can set up points for campaign opening and points for clicked link. As you guys can see, campaign opening now is 50 and points for clicked link is 100. And we can change that, for example, 5 and 10 and any numbers that you feel better with. So there you go, guys. This is how your lead score will work. It's a really nice feature that our Mailingboss now is offering to us because it lets us organize our clients and leads by people that are interacting most with your business. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.